So I'm Craney, this is Teagues, and in the back we have Tish and we have Jaden from Life of Jaded. So this is a bit of a fun weekend. We're going to do some caves, some four-wheel driving, and just chilling out, aren't we? Yep. So let's get excited, let's have some fun, let's make some memories. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Subscribe.
Whoop, whoop. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Give it stick, all acceleration, that's it. Keep going, don't back off. Oh, stop. You thought that you were bogged to the diff, didn't you?
Yes.
Do you want to know the reality? You were bogged to the diff. And you know what? You still drove it out.
Fire in the sky, midnight in your eyes. Last breath from a half-smoked cigarette. Out on the edge of town, with no one else around. Watch the stars dance around your silhouette. Handprints on the glass, hearts are racing fast. Hypnotized by your jet black, Revlon lips. Don't rush, just take it slow, 'cause you're my only hope. I rise and fall with the rhythm of your fingertips. Fire and smoke show, I'll never let go. Pull me back like the first time, baby. Every touch just gets me high. Head is spinning but I'm still breathing. I'm gonna love you till my heart stops beating. No, I'll never quit, it says permanent as the tattoos on my skin, girl. Every time I kiss your lips, know we were born for this.